The son must get his parents' approval. In Islam, the son does not need his parents' approval for marriage. Of course, it's better to have their blessings and be around. And parents should not make it difficult. If his mother asks him to live with her, he must. Otherwise, he is sinful. Wrong. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, be good to your parents, He didn't say obey them in everything. He said, don't obey anybody if it means disobedience to Allah. And it is haram for parents to oppress their children and tell them, I will use the verse again. It's like some of them don't know any other verse. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. Your Lord has told you not to worship other than Him and to be good to your parents. Some people change the word to be good to them to and obey. Yes, obey, but not in the things that they have no right to be obeyed in. Your wife, for example, has a right. Your children have a right. Put everyone in their right places. Parents or children believe that the dua of a parent is accepted when they make oppressive du'as against their children, or haram du'as against their children, or believing that any dua we make will definitely occur, even if we are oppressive, or if we make dua for haram or cutting off ties. For example, some people say, may God never guide you. You're not allowed to make that dua. Only Allah chooses who He guides and who deserves it. You have no right to play God. Or they say, may God disunite you from your family. You are not allowed. Rasulullah said, Allah will accept the dua so long as it's not about haram or cutting off of ties. May you become an addict to alcohol and drugs. You're not allowed to make such dua. This is haram. Especially the parents. I had some children say, my mother or my father made this dua, if I marry this person, will Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala curse me? I was saying, so long as you haven't done anything wrong to oppress your parents, that's an oppressive dua. You can't just make dua as you wish. That a child must obey their parents in everything and anything, and the parent claiming their children will be cursed if they do not, that is not true. But obey your parents in their rights and where you can, but if it's something haram, you don't.